Hello and welcome to Gizmo Guru. This fellow here is the Huawei Ascend Mate, which the Chinese company recently launched in India. Now, at 6.1 inches, it's a little big even on the edge of the phablet, but think of it as a mini tablet with a call function and it starts to look a lot more promising. It's a simple looking device and it won't win the awards for design, but it looks good in a quiet fashion and feels comfortable to hold. Operating it with one hand is very difficult though. Huawei's custom interface has some workarounds for that, but it's still uncomfortable. Now, I've already said that the screen is huge, but it's also running at the relatively low resolution of 720p. Now, I'm calling that low because we're starting to get smaller screens than this which are full HD, but actually the screen is very clear and the text is easy to read. I also think that the colors look cleaner than on several competing devices, and that makes this one really good for watching movies on. It's also a pretty powerful device. It's got a 1.5 GHz quad-core CPU with 2 GB of RAM, and the interface is really smooth. There were no apps that slowed it down much either. It's not the most powerful handset out there, but you probably won't even notice that. Also, the battery life is excellent. It easily lasts through a full day's use, which is a big selling point for me. The interface though does take a little getting used to. It's Android, but there are tweaks. So for one thing, there's no app drawer. All your apps land on the home screen just like on an iPhone. It also has a floating calculator and notes app like the Galaxy Note 2. Overall, Huawei's done a good job with the experience of using the Ascend Mate, but its size and weight do make it an uncomfortable phone to use extensively. If you're planning on using the device mostly as a tablet which also makes calls, it's a great option. But if you're making a lot of calls, then it's probably best to avoid this one. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching.